Our system generates an Excel spreadsheet called a MIF, short for Master Import File, which you can download and edit. But please do not alter the column headers nor move the positions of the columns. Important points before downloading the document. Make sure that all the contact data fields are built, as these will become columns on the MIF Excel spreadsheet. It is crucial to have a unique identifier for every contact, in order to minimize the risk of duplicating contact details. Check out Preparing Contacts and Groups for Upload video. You can access the MIF file from the Contacts and Groups tab, where you will find the Import Contacts button. You will use the blank MIF that is provided in this section to add all of your new contacts, or you can take directly off the system what is already there, and you do this by downloading the current MIF. After editing the MIF, you can re-upload the document by a drag and drop into this space, or click on this space to give you an upload option. To have a successful MIF upload, don't change the name of the document, have a unique ID for each contact, no spaces in telephone numbers. If there's no data to fill in, leave the cell blank, format the cells to text.